by Vaishvik and Srinithi. So it's a surprise video for my brother, and it's actually Brother's Day. So I'm going to make a Brother's Day greeting card, but he also likes Hot Wheels. So I'm making a car greeting card. So it's kind of very fun to make it, and your brother will like it. So make sure to like this video. I took a red color paper, and now I'm going to fold it. And you know what? You actually have to cut in the middle. So I'm going to do it. I am done! 2 pieces of paper. So I put them together. Now I'm going to fold it. Now I'm going to draw a car. Now I'm going to trace. Now I'm going to cut it. After cutting, it will look like this. It's like 2 cars together, and then another. It looks same. Next, I got a black and blue paper. I got the blue paper to cut the windows out, and I got the black paper for wheels because does a car drive without wheels? No, that's so silly. So I'm gonna go with the cut right now. I'm done cutting wheels, windows, and some lights. Now you have to cut in the middle. After cutting, it will look like this. Now I'm gluing here with my white glue. I got 1 piece, and you have to stick it in, okay? Careful. Got it. And now you have to glue it the other side. Stick it again. See? I got a little heart. Now I'm going to put it inside. Glue it inside. Okay. After gluing, it will look like this. See it? When you open it and close it. So now I'm going to glue all of these wheels and windows and some lights. I am done gluing 2 sides. And now I'm going to write Happy Brother's Day in the hearts. See, I finished my writing. Happy Brother's Day. Now I'm going to write Best Brother. I'm done with my card, and I got a little surprise. Now I'm going to call my brother. My brother! Here. Okay, to Best Brother. And Happy Brother's Day! So here's how it is. And then, ta-da! Whoa, it looks like a train. Yeah. Happy Brother's Day! Thank you! I got another one.
Yes! One of my favorites! I need to unbox this